I guess it match. I don't know. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. If you haven't, hit subscribe because this is where the fire content is. I know I just put out the free lunch review. Anybody hungry? Dope sneaker, man. But I forgot to tell you on that I took like a week off because my birthday was September 27th, and I was out in Miami, and I finally got a chance to unds some sneakers, man. I finally unds my Dancing Bear yellow joints, the sneakers that I started the video with, the Parrot Dunks, and the What the Paul Dunks. So I went dunk crazy for my birthday weekend. But yeah, that's why I wasn't here for a week, but I'm here now, and it's lit. Today we are doing another undefeated dunk review, and Undefeated's been underwhelming with these dunks, man. The first ones, the brown pair, khaki color looking joints, I kept here in my collection for a while. I was going to wear them, but the second pair was worse. And this pair here is a clean, solid pair colorway, but it just ain't it, man. It just ain't, in my opinion. But let's get into it. Yes, sir, man. So here today we have the third installment of the Dunk versus Air Force Ones by Nike and Undefeated. And like I told y'all, nice all black pair, can't go wrong with it. So it's a clean shoe in my opinion. But a person like me owns these. Bear brick, however you want to say it. SB Medicom toy joints, right? All black. Just like these. Let's see them side by side. Bam. So in the comment section below, right now, even if you gotta pause the video, go down in the comment section below right now for me and tell me, what would you rather? The Undefeated joints or the Medicom toy joints? Now, the Medicom toy joints does have white in it, as Undefeated just went for a straight stealth, straight black look. So that is a difference if you want to name a difference. But in that comment section below, let me know which one would you go with and why. I know some people probably will go with the Medicom because of the SB. That's a big difference. But yeah, back to the review. Yes, sir. So I don't know, man. Like when it comes to Kobe's, Undefeated is off the charts. When it comes to this Dunk versus Air Force One thing they've been doing this year, not so much. But that's my opinion. In my opinion only, man. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. I like this color blue box. Not gonna lie. Gives me Travis Scott vibes a little bit. So you got your Undefeated logo there. Your Nike logo there. I like it. Dunk versus Air Force One there. And voila. Here you have it. Air Force Not your Air Force. Sorry. Your Nike Dunk Undefeated. Now remember I showed y'all the Medicons? This is why this is important. And this is why I didn't name this in the comparison. The swoosh here has the same material that's on all of the Medicom. When you come into the inside, your swoosh here is leather. I like it, man. Looks to be like ostrich leather as you got some dots on the swoosh. Yeah, that's 4K, y'all. So again, got your pony hair there on the out swoosh, and you got your leather on the in swoosh. The whole sneaker is nubuck suede. It seems to be a whole bunch of holes in this toe box, more than your average. Can't really tell because the sneaker's black, but there's a lot of holes in this. And the holes are also behind the swoosh. On both sides again. They got some nerve, in my opinion, to come to sneaker draped in black and give you black shoestrings. That's wild. Like, they don't want no other color with this. Like, you're getting black shoestrings and they come in black shoestrings. These black shoestrings here though seems to be the you know, the skinny flimsy ones. As you can see, the ones that come with the shoe looks to be more thick, SB-ish or Nike Dunkish. The back has that Nike SB logo. Well, Nike font logo. The tongue on the right sneakers has the Undefeated logo. There and there. The insoles are black. I never saw a sticker like that inside the shoe. That's why I froze for a minute. But, you know, it has the Brazil fur on it. So whenever they have fur on it, Nike has to issue a statement. So that's basically what that is. And the bottom, I don't know. I guess just a translucent bottom. And under it is just more black. But it do make it look a little bit blue. This is the left shoe. Everything seems to pan out. For some reason, I don't know, with them Travis Scotts and all these crazy collabs coming out, Saki, Fragment, I thought that the other tongue would have a different logo, but no, same logo. Now again, guys, I love Undefeated. I love what they do for the Memorial Kobe. I love it. But I'm just always honest, and that's why people be on this channel, and that's why people love me. I'm just always honest. Is it a needable sneaker? No. If you don't own a Nike Dunk and you're looking to get in and you're looking to get in at a good price, this is a great grab for you, man. Either one of the three that came out. If you just want to get into that Nike Dunk game, you can't go wrong. I think all three sneakers is priced still under $200. That's a great deal. The real reason I don't need these sneakers is because of the Medicons. And as you can see, my Medicons are still DS. So like, I don't need to add another black Dunk to the collection. Y'all know I don't care nothing about hype. I'm only like 94% hype beast, right? This sneaker not having no hype does nothing to me or for me. The sneaker just being predominantly black is the reason why it's just a no need, a no go for me. But the materials on this sneaker does look better than the ones we seen on the free lunch. As I showed y'all on my free lunches, I had a whole bunch of glue stains and stuff. So it is better there in that aspect. But it doesn't have enough pop for me. In that comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about these, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.